Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better today. And it's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. I've been asleep in the driver's seat. I've been lost in my head for weeks, trying to find what it is I need to goddamn
Nurse!
And then there are other times I'm so aware that I lose my mind. I never feel like I get enough, so high that I can't stand up. Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
It's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. There are those who will never learn, who build a fire and can't stay warm. The only secret to make it through is to take what's in front of you. The fear of death and the thrill of speed, and all the lights in front of me. Drive till the coast is clear, faster till it disappears. Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better today. And it's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. Oh, Gloria, I feel so much better. I feel so much better today. And it's not the drugs and it's not the weather. I just feel so much better today. I've been asleep in the driver's seat. I've been lost in my head for weeks, trying to find what it is I need. Too goddamn tired to sleep.
Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. What's up, ladies? Gentlemen. Hays and theys. Hi, Cal. Hi, Zach. How's it going, y'all? I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's see. This one. Whoop. Hello. Hi, Cal. Good job getting hair first. Mr. Light's here. Okay. Let's see. What is that? This one. Go lay down. How are y'all? I'm coming out. Exactly. I'm coming out as a streamer. Can you believe? Hi, Zach. How are you? Credilly. You can keep Credilly. I don't want it. It's the last game of... Or the last game. It's the last day of the event. So I'm going to be doing event challenges. Also, I've already grown tired of that light. Sorry about it. I'm a streamer? Nobody told me. Happy New Year, Cal. Happy New Year, Zach.
Ladies.
Hi, Jay. Thank you for the good luck. Also, Happy New Year to you. You're gonna make dinner? Okie dokie. You have a good time. Thank you. So far, it's been good. What, the 5 minutes that I've been in the new year, it's been okay. Also, Jay, you better make something delicious. Let's see. Oh no, I need a challenge selected or all will be for naught. Of course, things aren't easy. Sorry about it. Jay is always delicious. We know this to be a fact. Also, is my music very loud for y'all? Or is it non-existent? Or is it perfect? Their Bay would like that? I bet. Steven, would Steven agree that Jay is delicious? Now we're getting into some
Ladies.
funky territory.
Gay.
Gay.
Funky jewelry. Volumes are great. Honestly great. Good. Awesome. Thank y'all. This sounds better work. I tested them thoroughly. Is that true? I don't know. Check the facts.
Let's go, Joan.
Well, that one worked. Ooh, Zatu. Okay, so what is the challenge? That one was a little loud, I must say. It's true. That's the one that scares me most often. But yeah, I think I can lower that one eventually. It's the only one working. Well, that's just disappointing. Was not expecting that in your ear holes. You're listening to my stream. You should always be prepared for loud noises
Ladies.
and screaming. I'm sorry. I hope your ear holes are recovering. Ooh, party streamers.
And sis, that's tea.
Well, then maybe I'm too quiet if the sound things are so loud. Oh, God. I'm just happy to be back. That one wasn't too bad? Okay, good. Thank you. I'm glad the holidays are over so we can get some consistency up in this grill. You know what I'm saying?
Ladies.
Okay. Wish me luck. I'm gonna actually turn off my heartbeat visual. I'm gonna head down to high. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, it's my girl Sadako. Ladies. Holidays can shove it, right? I'm over them. I mean, they were nice when they were here. But it's a lot of energy to maintain that business, you know what I mean? Maintaining the jolliness of the hollies, the holly jollies. You know that condition. Fatal to most. If you don't embrace it. I didn't even look at my perks. I guess I have... Uh-oh. Oh my god, I'm like a motherfucking pro. I didn't take any break from DVD. What do you mean? I've been practicing all the time. Holidays are too busy. Very that. Very, very that. They're busy. They require so much energy. Everyone expects you to be up for everything and in a good mood. But then there's the times when you are feeling good and enjoying the holidays, and it's a bop. And it's a vibe. But those times are behind us. Oh my god, she's tunneling. You worked for 13 hours on Christmas Eve? You poor thing. I hope it was at least an enjoyable kind of work. Or was it a grueling 13 hours? $7:30 till you forget. 7:30 a.m. or is that 7:30 at night and you worked like 13 hours overnight? That would be great, great. $7:30 a.m. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Well, you made it through. Do people get extra pay on Christmas Eve like it's a holiday? Probably not, right? That would be too anti-capitalist. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What? Little did I know my team was falling apart. My god. Oh my god. Well, that's what you get. I knew she would come through it. I couldn't grab it fast enough. Oh my god, she's coming for me. Oh, there she goes. Oh my god, she's right there. Oops. She went out the front door, ladies. I'm sorry for screaming in your ears. Kelly, you said it depends on the place. Like for you, it's I get normal pay, but I have a Christmas. But you also have Christmas and the day after as holiday pay. Oh, I see. I gotcha, I gotcha. I used to get Christmas as holiday pay from my work as a social worker. I feel like retail workers don't get time and a half or anything like that. Those poor retail workers. Yeah. No. Bye. You wanna hear me? It depends on the place. That's very true. And what kind of place. Yeah. Uh-oh. Goodness gracious. Ah. I was so close to being healed. Yeah. Oh, she's putting away her TV. Good. Oh, she picked it up. You're crazy, girl. Ah! Oh my god. Scared the shit out of me. Oh no, she did. Oh, she's dead. Oh no. My nose itching is gonna get me killed. just stay here. Work on this, Jen. Thank you. Ah! Thank you for believing in me, Cal. You're a true friend. Oh my god! Uh-oh. I never expect them to take the window. That was shocking. Well, this is my warm-up game. Sadako knows this. Sadako. Can you believe she went through the window? She went hair first. Right through that window. Through the window to the wall. Till the hair comes down her well. I don't know. I tried. Where's light? Meow. Till the sweat goes down the basement. Till you can't win. Exactly. That's how the song goes. Sadako knew it. Oh my god, me saying Sadako again. Well, her new name is Sadako, and she knew that song, and she was singing it while she swung me over her shoulder like I was a sack of potatoes. Sack of potatoes. Oh, I have to do generators. I see the T. Let's get rid of this. What is it called? Ever since they brought back Stranger Things, they changed the name of the perks back and they didn't give me any warning. I mean, we're gonna get picked up by a production company. I guess it would be a parody. Right? But then we would still have creative license because isn't parody protected? Hell yeah.
Ladies.
There is a weird law with parodies, right? Like, no, I can sing all of Beyonce's music as long as I say Beyonce, because that's a parody, right? No, there's probably like, it has to be such and such different from the original text to even qualify. Listen to me, such and such. I'm like a professor.
Ladies.
They are legal, but copyright holders can still have things taken down even if you have all the correct... Interesting. I feel like they just run the world. Beyonce thinks she runs the world with women. It's really the copyright holders. But now we can all be Mickey Mouse or the original Steamboat Mickey Mouse. That'll be fun. It's who runs the world? Girls. And then in parentheses, it's copyright holders. Wish me luck. Damn. Do you sense something that I don't? My senses of sensing are tinkling. I almost pressed M to see the map, as if that would do anything. Zach, but like they can go to YouTube and flag and report things. Hold on. And YouTube is like, oh, we'll take this down, but then fighting to get it back up is huge. I see. Oh no. Flashlight blind without a flashlight. Oh well. Guess she's dead forever. It isn't like they have lawyers as their report checkers, not at all. I also heard that the original Peter Pan is in public domain now. If it's copyrighted, they just won't monetize it. That's very true. Yay for aging out of copyright law. Hello. Oh my god, he's coming. Wow, he got over there fast. Fine, you go for the save. Sorry if you missed something, you opened Snapchat. No worries. We were just talking about the copyright still. And I was talking about how Peter Pan the original Peter Pan just went into public domain as well as that OG Mickey Mouse, right? Yeah, the OG PP Pan. Legalese is a secret language. I mean, that's what, like, fucking taxes are. Literally made difficult so that tax companies can make more money. But that's legal because they legally changed it legally with the legalese. Claudette, my sister. Sister. I'm getting the save this time. Just kidding, I'm letting you get it. Run for your lives. I need to find another generator. Here's one. Tax companies, or as the rest of the world would call that, government, the state. I love hearing about other countries where they're like, oh yeah, they just send us a bill for what we owe tax-wise. We don't have to like do any calculations. There's no this, that, or the other thing. It's just, here you go. Because it's like, the government knows how much money you owe. They could just tell you. But no. Yeah. Yeah. I got her. Ugh. I swear I touch a gen and then he finds me. Terrifying. BRB gonna go sweat in the sauna steam room. Have fun. Don't get too steamy.
Ladies.
Thanks for hanging out, Cal. No! I tried. Just barely. I don't think Claudette's gonna make it. But he probably has barbecue and chili anyways, so he'll find me. Sayonara. Thought I heard it for a second. Bing bong. Yay, challenge done. Yay, challenge done, right? It's nice. Because time is ticking. We only have so long. I don't want to be like the Halloween event where I missed my rewards. $50,000 blood points. We can do that. Their name is Cat Puke. Love it. Oh, just in time. Wish me luck. Oh my god, I see the killer. I think it's Trapper. Watch, it's not gonna be Trapper in the slightest. It's not Trapper, it's Plague. I still kind of think it's Trapper. Yep. Looks like a trap to me. Oh my god, I knew it. Except that I didn't. Coming. So scared. Oops. Oh, it's gonna be hard skill checks. Oh, he's gonna go to basement. Or is he coming up front? Hello, front door. Ow! he hit me like that? I thought we had something special. Oh, he put down a trap somewhere. Oh, right there. Uh-oh. No! I was an idiot. Too soon. I was taken from this earthly plane. Hello. Thank you. Oh, be careful. He put traps around it. There must be a trap. Yes, I knew it. Clay up. I wonder if there's any more. It would be a really good place to put a bunch of traps. Which way is he going? 'Cause I don't get to know. Where are they? I can't see them. Oh. I can't believe they DC'd. Ha! Ow! Run! I saw the trap. He got trapped. Loser.
Ladies.
That was great. It's very nice that they added bots for DCs. Although some killers think it's unfair because bots are OP. You know, like bots can be better than the person who DC'd, so some killers are like, me! Run! Uh-oh. Seems he's turned focus. Ah! Please, no! I can't believe I went the wrong way. You could also just leave me alone. That's possible. I brought the offering. Fine. You don't want to see things my way. Because you're dumb. It isn't like they can run a real-time tracking to judge to judge people how good they are in a chunk of game. It's true. But I doubt they can even like program them to be easier. It's like, oh, I'll just program in that they miss skill checks. Like, it just isn't going to be perfect no matter what. There we go. You're sure they could worsen them? There should be a few different levels, and it is random on which shows up. That's interesting to think about. I like the randomness to that. Hatch is gonna be in the Killer Shack. Hatch will be in the Killer Shack. I fluctuate between cold and warm so quickly while I'm streaming. Ooh, Dead Dog. That's interesting and different. It's Weskin time. Is that all you have? Yes. Why, yes it is. Oh my god, already taking hits. It's not worth it. Ah! I can't believe that. What am I playing on controller? Uh-oh. Why are you tunneling? Ah! I want my snowballs. And I never really got them. Ooh, he didn't get rid of these pellets. put it back together again. That was so funny. What a good play with my picking up pallets perk. Get my snowballs that I wanted. Reset this pallet. And a bing and a bong and a boom. Bam. I wonder where Wesky is. Oh, found him. I have a tickle in my throat. How did that come back so fast? I'm getting this save. No! Hey! Oops. We're doing very well with gens so far. She got what? Going to the basement. Uh-oh. You see nothing! Whee! Oh my god. Oh god, no. I can make it. Come on, come on, come on. Ah! Oh. What is happening? Oh my god, no. Ouch! That was wild. So good. Oh, I'm having lag. Is my stream choppy for you, Zach, if you're still watching? Or is it just, I don't know, my stream display? Thank you. Hello. Goodbye. Oh no, he's coming after me. Hello. Meow. Oh, thank God it was this door. Oh, I left. Oops. Interesting. I don't know. Like, nothing on OBS said I was lagging. But I was hella lagging when I looked at my stream. So I don't know what the truth is, but that makes me sad. I got my challenge done. Let's see. Unhook 3 survivors. I can do that. See, and now I'm back to being hot. This guy's name is Old Grumpy Bear. We love a bear. Ooh, is that a Mori? Maybe. I'm so excited to see the next episode of Canada. Also, the thought that a show is just called Canada. But it's not. Let's do this thing. The whole country is just a TV show now. Please don't scare me. Thank you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh my god, it's another trapper. Damn. Do you think they'll know? I'm so scared. So scared. I think it worked. I'm a sneaky snowman. I can't believe he didn't hook that person who got trapped. The United States should just become ultimatum queer. Queer ultimatum. I don't know why I said it out of order. Because I'm quirky. Run! What? What? How did that happen? What? What in tarnation? Is that mean? Is that toxic? This is wild. If I have to ask, I'm definitely not being toxic. You're right, you're right. I should trust in myself that I'm an angel. It's not my fault that I'm a skinny legend and he didn't notice my presence. Oh, wait, I have to unhook people. Let's look for traps. I see no traps. Wait, come back, bitch. Well, now we're fucked. No! I was too wonky with my movements. This is an interesting trapper outfit. See, he has trouble in general with carrying survivors. Everyone sees that. Oh my god, they're all watching. Oh my god, they saw that too. Trapper is who the new DBD game will be about. In theory. It's like an alternate universe Trapper.
Lady.
Hi, Jay. Hello, Jay and his soup. What kind of soup is it? Did you make minestrone, chicken noodle, matzo ball, vegetable? Ooh, chicken tortilla.
Lady.
That sounds real good. I love tortilla soup. Did you make it yourself? Is it from a can? Is it from a package? Is it gourmet? Oh my god, he is gonna run straight into this trap, watch. Meow. Oh, he didn't. Yay. Good for you. There's a trap here somewhere. There we go. Wow, he had hella traps around here. I should be careful, lest he put a trap here. Ooh, it's from Progresso. We love Miss Progresso.
Ladies.
I don't think I've ever had it from Progresso. Is it spicy or is it very mellow? Because I've had tortilla soup that's delicious but also spicy. I also had a tortilla soup that was like mostly cheese, and I was like, this ain't my mama's tortilla soup. This is like tortilla and cheese soup. It's like a quesadilla soup. How about that? Is there a trap? I'm so scared to like walk around. There was a trap! I actually foretold a trap. Can you believe that? My sixth sense is showing, ladies.
Ladies.
My sixth sense is rather large. Where is this chase happening? Oh, there. Oh, this is the last gen, ladies. We're gonna bust this joint open like nobody's business. I'm going to this far one because I'm scared. See, I would have been trapped. Okay, let's look first. Okay, no traps. I feel like what's her name? Edna Mode from The Incredibles. No traps. But it's no capes. But make it traps. Nobody's going to save him? What? Yeah. Bye. I was gonna be the hero, but then I thought better of it. But we lived. How often does that happen? Did you see they released some basic banners? Yes, we were just, well, I was just starting to talk about that with Zach. Me and Zach just watched, what was it, episode 5 or something? We watched the one after Snatch Game. Snooch Snatch. Let's see. Well, there's this one. This is one of the basic icons you get. And then the skull one, which you can't see. But this skull one, isn't that cool? I think everyone gets that. And then these are the event banners. The Holiday. Holiday. But I like the skulls. We didn't watch the one after Snatch? Okay. Are you sure? We watched one where they had to make like they made stuff from what's his face's closet. Hi, Red Iron.
Ladies.
I hope you're having a very good evening and having a nice night at home. Also, Happy New Year. Welcome back, Jay. Oh, I still have to unhook people. Fine. I'll try. But I'm not gonna like it. Was the episode where they made stuff from Brad's closet the one before Snatch Game? Because we got to see what's their face recover. Gotcha. I forgot she recovered on Snatch Game, which I don't understand. How she recovered from that drama, I don't know. Then kill Snooch? Exactly. She makes good TV. Now that's the truth.
Gay?
Gay.
Also, I don't know if you clocked her not wearing her contacts, Jay, but when she doesn't wear her contacts, she is like a full different drag queen. One that I love. Oh. That was a quick lobby. What is that trying to say? Incredible TV? Like incredible. Or did you like put cunt or something? Incredible. That's what I thought. And then I was like, cuntable? That doesn't make sense. And then dickable? And then I was like, oh, there's an E. Uh-oh. I don't know if it shows it on your end, but on my end it starred half of it. Which I don't know why. INC. It like starred the INC. Incredibles 3 that stars Melinda? I would watch the shit out of that. The hella shit. Jay, are you a fan of denim? Oh, and then seeing Jada on the judges panel and the song with Piranka. So good. Ha. Got her. Oh, you're a fan of Aurora. Oh my god, the reading challenge where they read her and she was compared to Aurora Borealis was so good. I'm looking right now, Zach, because I like to multitask. Weird. I have no idea why it starred half of it. Bloop. Starstruck? I don't even... Oh, it's Chucky. It almost looks like it could be Tiffany, which would be lovely. That'd be cool. Oh, it is Tiffany. It's anti-incorporations. Very true. Which, honestly, I'm here for. Whee! That was weird. I got like stuck in a corner. I'm also anti-incorporations. Because ink is bad for the environment. Where is that? Oh. Oh my god, not Starstruck again. Let's destroy this totem. Quiet like a mouse. Cool. Being quiet like a mouse paid off. Oh, that's not an uphill. Why don't they have the progressive flag? Uh-oh.
You're in good hands.
Yeah. Oh. Run! No! Oh, that was good. I'm glad I got away from the basement. Actually, I don't even know if I saw it. Is it there? She's taking me to the basement. Oh my god. I had to open my big fat mouth. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, another basement. I think we're about to lose this game. Uh-oh. Oh, I have to mend. Uh-oh. See, I told you. Told you this would happen. Well, at least I predicted it, right? I'm a fortune teller with magic powers.
Let's get a move on, babe.
Oh well. The rudeness, exactly. How could they? I'll take your juices, thank you. I have to run to the bathroom. I shall be right back.
But my heart was clean, I'm made of matches. You're made of gasoline. I was just hoping for a smile or a quick slow dance. Fighting fire with flames. If I burn down, would you do the same? You tell me it's wrong, but we both to blame. I wasn't looking for a sign.
Ladies.
Okay, I'm back. I want to see something. Does this actually change the sound? I don't think so. Okay. We have to unhook one more person. I also almost have all my killers up to Prestige 3, which is quite a feat because I had pretty much been focused on Survivor for a while.
Ladies.
Oh my god, that's so exciting, Jay. Congratulations.
I'm a star.
You're a pizza.
I'm a pizza.
How did you do it? Was it hard? Did you barely get it, or was it a game where you were like, oh yeah, I forgot I needed that token? Or were you like trying so hard? You did it! Finally, you achieved your goal.
Ladies.
Interesting! That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. And you were trying so hard? Oh, that's even better. I hope it was a great relief. Did you pretend to be minions? Here we go. You were pretending to be Wukong the whole time? That's so funny. I love it. Which is probably confusing because Wukong already has, like, clones sometimes. Some of the time. That was smart. I applaud you. Wow, guess light's gone. He just took right off. Badum. Madam, it's Badum. Uh-oh. I think it's Sadako? Maybe. Maybe not. What is it? I don't want this garbage. I was right, it was Sadako. Dun dun dun. Ooh, that was close. What a good first gen to get done. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's chase after him. He was mean to me. No! She was too smart. That respect. No! I should have waited longer for her to leave the gen. But some killers are just so silly. Oh, here's the gen. I mean, the gen. Here's the pallet. Oh my god, she didn't break the pallet. It was a pretty good run, right? Not too bad. No, that's my Jennifer. No. Oh. I love that person's name, the one who was nodding at me, well, more like shaking his head. Curls for girls. 69, 33. What do you think the 33 means? Is 33 a sex position? It's like 2 butts. That's what I think of. Yeah, maybe we don't have to run to Timbuktu. That would be nice. 33, look at it. 2 butts. Can you believe how sexy?
Show me the gay.
Bottom for bottom. Ooh, that's exciting.
Gay?
Gay.
What does Rachel Ray say? 2 bottoms and no top? That's no fun at any party. Oh, there she is. Is he working on that gen? Good, good. He got off of it. Oh, I didn't even look at my days. Look at me being a bad player against Sadako. Whoops. I was almost at 6 days. Where's another computer? My goodness. Computer! Oh my god, listen to me. Where's another television? Why can't I say it? They got married too. Well, 2. As if I already know I'm going to be married. Does she have the add-on that doesn't let me see TVs? Like, come on. Here we go. Bloop. Okay, that's most of them gone. Ah, that's scary. Ah! did she know? She got you, gal. Exactly. My goodness graciatius. Okay, now I'll be at no days. Boop. We love it. Love to see it. Get out of here. Oh, he's self-carrying. Oh, I forgot I have to save somebody off a hook. I'm so scared. Okay. I forgot she would teleport. Hello. Zoom. Bang. Look at me heal ya. Uh-oh. She's coming. I'm sorry. I tried to heal you. Well, that didn't work. What? She has a bamboozle. Oh, not Claudette. Michaela's gonna die. She's gonna get worried. Oh my god. Well, now she's not gonna get worried. She'll never find me in here. She has not demonstrated that she's smart. No!
Ladies.
Oh well. That was a fun one though. Got the challenge done. Oh, he's about to get got. Where did she go? No! Bound sweet. That's cute. I don't think they're getting out of it. That's my 2 cents. Stun or blind the killer 2 times. Why must they do this to us? It's such a mean challenge. I'll play a Nicolas Cage. I'm gonna bring Blast Mine. That seems to be a consistent way to blind killers. Because if I bring a flashlight, they're not gonna... They'll bring... what is it called? Lightborn. Whoops. Ooh, party streamers. Wish me luck in the suffocation pit.
Who's gonna poke out our eyes this time?
Oh, Nick, you are such a catch.
I'm a star.
You're a pizza.
I'm a pizza.
I'm a pizza. It's Blake. Blake. It's Blake. Let's see, can I hit it from here? Wow, that went way farther than I thought. Hey, got him. Oh yeah, I've lost mine. Oh. It's not fair. Whee! Weedle, I love it. They're so cute. And then they turn into that thing. You know the one. Etc. Uh-oh. Forgot about Infectious Fright. Oh, I got a stun. Well, why would you come this way? Not that. No, not the puke. Not pukey puke McGee. No! How do I always end up being first hook when like 7 people have been downed already? That's what she gets for going to the basement. At least I got a stun. Uh-oh. Whoops. Oh my god. Oh my god, kick my gen, bitch. I can't believe she didn't kick the gen. Oh my god, she did it! Even with the infectious fright, she did it. That's wild. That's Bonkzilla. I was like, where'd that chase music come from? God, that terrified me. Just all the plot. Take that. I might as well heal, I guess. Oh, here's one. I think that one guy forgot that she had infectious trait. I wonder if he's running her where the body is, or if I'll be able to get there. Going for the save. I can't tell if he's being chased or not. I think he is. Is he going for the save now? After all that? Oh. Ha! Bitch! Got him! Well, now we're all fucked. Mr. Bill had Unbreakable. What he's doing, running around, leaving scratch marks, I don't know. Quite the fool. What I do? I see that you have emotional problems. Other people. Oh, well. Oh, I forgot about party streamers. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need to stun them again. What's after that? Fall to pallet, while in chase. Okay.
I'm not liking the mojo here.
Oh yeah, I can still buy things. Clown, trapper, hillbilly. I'm gonna get the one for the trapper. Trap trap. That was a fast lobby. Hi, V.
Ladies.
How are you doing? Happy holidays. Happy New Year as well. I'm doing all right. How are you doing? It's so good to see you. Just playing DBD, trying to get the challenges done before the event ends tomorrow. You're doing okay? That's great. Okay is better than not good. And that's all we could hope for, is to not be not bad. What am I saying? I don't know. You're just vibing tonight? That's awesome. I hope the vibes are good. And you haven't played DBD in so long? That's okay. I feel like that's a lot of people's story right now. Where is there a gen that can be worked on? Did not know it was Mikey. Oh, God. I guess I'll do this, Jen. How have games been tonight? Not too bad. I've been having a lot of fun, actually. We went against Tiffany, so that was fun. Who else? There's been multiple Sadakos, so that's interesting. You play Fortnite now? That's your game of choice. It's so funny. I love Fortnite. I played a little bit during the Winterfest. I was kind of underwhelmed by their Winterfest. But that's okay. But I recently got the Jack Skellington. Yes. I got the Jack Skellington outfit on Fortnite. Yeah, smack that ass. Hell yeah, it's Fortnite. Yes, I do play. I almost exclusively play, what do you call it? No build? Run! But you should definitely add me on Epic. Or wherever you play. They do cross progression, right? Whee! Balance land away. If I make myself small, you won't be able to find me. Oh God! Look at him go! Hell yeah, I got my quest done! Woo! Oh my God, he's still coming for me. What if he kills me when he gets to me? Like, what if this is a tier 3 murder? Is he gonna find me? I can't believe this.
Ladies.
Fuck yeah, we got away with the bullshit. Ah! No, we didn't! God damn it. Kill me right now, Michael. Just get it over with. What made him come back? He must have known. He was a knower. Oh my God. Whatever. Now you calling me big brain and then dying immediately. That's so funny. I thought for sure he had left. Oh, we got some bisexuality. Hell yeah, bi pride. Oh, you play on Switch Lite? I appreciate you. I have a Switch Lite and I wish I could play... Wait. I think... Can you play Pokemon Unite without having a internet subscription to Nintendo? Run! Okay. Well, I used to play Pokemon Unite on my Switch Lite, and it can be tough. So, you playing Fortnite? That's crazy. Just in way of like, that's gotta be tough on controller. Although I think everything's tough on controller. Whee! I'll balance land you all day, Mikey. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is anyone gonna save that person? Suppose not. Also, Epic, yes. I believe... Now I'm second guessing myself. I know on Fortnite my name is Witchling. The Witchling. But I don't know about Epic. I can't imagine it isn't. Uh-oh. We are on the look for a totem ladies. I mean, I can sympathize with the lack of brain cells, very much so. I'm working on it. I'm going as fast as I can. So tense. Ah! Don't be mean to him. He's a good boy. He's a good Mikey. Ew, not his name being Meaty Knees. He had unlimited tier 3. I see the T. Let's see. Yes, it seems as though my name is the Witchling. Woo. We got the challenge done. Oh my god, stop that. You will run to add me right now? Perfect. Thank you. I'll add you back. Are you a room for ghosts? Or are you a different name on there? Okay, I have to vault, pallet, or a window. Pallet or window while in chase 4 times. I can do that. Your name on Epic is Brand New Dream. Okie dokie. I'll keep that in my brain. That'll be my last brain cell. Will be put to that. You wish you had spare brain cells. Well, we can't all be like me. I'm just that fancy. I bought it off some guy I knew, and he got it from some guy he knew, and then he got it from some guy named Jeff. Okay. I like this Adam Francis skin a lot. Ooh, we got some party streamers. I will say that things seem to be getting better with DBD if you left because it was being lame and unfun. So I've been recommending people come back and try it again if they so desire. Hi, Fang. Hee. Uh-oh. Looks like it's Bird Lady. Oh my god, we all started together. Uh-oh. Do you think she saw my bright-ass yellow... Yellow? I mean red. She almost got me. Honestly, it was just hard on your Switch. Oh, that is so understandable. It's hard on my computer. I used to be able to play it in Ultra, but not no more. I am excited to see who the next killer is. Because Chucky was so good. I had finally gotten Chucky too. Gonna get to them in time? No, I'm so sorry. Okay, bye. She's gonna find that person again, and they're gonna die. Ah. Oh my god, I can't fucking vault a window. Whee! I forgot I had balanced landing. Let's see, can we get two? Yay, that's twice. Ah! God damn it. Smack, smack. I like your purple hair. It's very fashionable. I don't care what anybody else says. You added me? Perfect. Thank you. Do you play with a group of people or do you play solo mostly? What's the tea? Some days you play with your girlfriend and her sister. Sometimes you play solo. I'll duo with friends. It really bounces around. That's awesome. I know some people who are like, I will never play alone. That's no fun. The fun comes from being in a group, and I can understand. I sometimes play solo, but... most often I play with because somebody asked me to. It's like when I play solo, I can play for like 1 or 2 games, but if I play in a group, I can play for like much more and have much more fun about it. But it's so much easier for me to get tilted when I play alone. Haha, you got birded and I didn't. Whoops! Where's she going? Oh no, my balanced landing. I forgot. Yes! I got the challenge done. I don't care if I die. Ah! Ah, it's still blocked, really? Oh my god, I can't believe she missed. That felt like it went up my butt, okay? Her ink hand went up my butt. That's how close it felt. Oh my god. That was wild. I can't believe I lived. Ooh, Clefable. That's no small feat.
Ladies.
That's kind of everything. got you in time. We love to see it. No, leave me alone. Oh, another pallet. No! Damn it. I was like, oh, a pallet. Look at that. Just kidding. Aw, is she taking me to the basement? God damn it. Well, my life is over. I hope those other two get out. A Clefable right into a Swalot. I mean, Swalot are cool. They swallow a lot, I heard. Ooh.
Gay?
Gay.
Perfect Pokemon for Jay. Ooh. Oh my god, is she gonna try and make it to me? Okay, never mind. Well, thanks for stopping in. It was so good to see you. I hope you have a good rest of your week. And I hope to see you again soon. And I will definitely add you back on Fortnite, and we can play some games soon. That'll be so fun. Jack Skellington. He has all the guns. Don't listen to me, please. We got another challenge done. We're so close. Hit 20. Wait, no. Oh, we have to hit people with snowballs. Okay. 20. That's a big number, DBD, don't you know? Let's do a Meg. Wow, Meg, you've changed. Actually, let's do this guy. Whatever his name is. bestest boy. Nice. Real nice. Lay down. Hang out. Father Campbell's. Not the doctor. That's lame. Damn, she got down fast. And he has Jolt. Oh my god. Bam. Oh, I forgot I need snowballs. How am I gonna snowball him in the face if I don't have snowballs? Whee! Ah! I'm gonna be real fucked. About 0.25 seconds. Hi. He did not fall for my bluff. Excuse me. I'm right here on this hook. Oh my god, you could have saved me 7 times by now, but you had to leave all these scratch marks so that he could find you. I thought I got off. Just would have been too convenient. He got up. Okay. Breaking a pallet. Whee! Well, I got a few snowballs in before I died. Oh my god. Oh well. Hopefully the next game will be the one. Oh yeah. Ooh, we're going to the Gideon meatpacking plant. Against all my better wishes. Bazinga. Nemmy Nems. Uh-oh. The zombie knows. Does that mean he has will he fall? Guess not. Or maybe he did fall. Nope, no he didn't. Ah! You get a life, zombie? Uh-oh. Whee! Ouch. Yay. Oh my god, we're already to 2 gens? This is crazy. I was busy looping a zombie. Oh, that's Face the Darkness, not people getting out of lockers. Which was my other theory. Oh. No! Why would you lead him here, you whore? Oh my god! Ah, this is terrifying! Ah. Meow. I can't believe I only got like 2 snowballs that whole game. Time after time. Time after game. Bring in calm spirit so I don't scream. Everyone's gonna be shook. Plot twist. If I can get this challenge done, this will be my last game. Woo! Party streamers. Peepee head. Pin head. Don't scare me. Oh my god, you bitch. Oh my god, what a goddamn idiot. Hey, we got her healed. Hey, I got her. And he finally got caught. Ow! You weren't supposed to catch me. The box. You opened it. Healing? But what about me? Are they coming to save me? Seems like it. Hex Ruin? I feel like I know where it is. I feel like I saw it from a distance. Oh my god, she just got a flashlight save. I think the penalty for being silent is a little too much. Oh, I forgot about Ruin already.
The box.
You opened it. I came all over my pants. And now it's in my hair. And it's in my soup. Why does everyone run him right past me? my god. I found 3 totems and not a single hex. Oh my god, it didn't trigger balanced landing.
The box. You,
You opened it. Where could this totem be? Uh-oh. Wow.
They are a waste of goods.
Snow Skull War. I only need 4 more. Zoroark. 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 It's hard to say. Uh-oh. Imagine if that hit him. Uh-oh. The box. He stepped on it. He came. Wait, where is the box? Oh, okay. Did not mean to jump in there. Got my challenge done. That's all I care about. Aww. God damn it. You stop that. I dodged it! Woo! Oh my god! He just had bad aim that time. Is it in the shack? No! You jerk face! I didn't hear it in the fucking slightest. Who put that there? That's so funny. Oh well. I'm so glad I got the challenge done though. So, this is gonna be my last one. I'm sorry. But this was a real good stream. I had a lot of fun. Oh my god. That's not the one. There we go. Hello. Hello. Thank you all for hanging out for this wonderful Witchling Wednesday. It was very chill and a lot of fun playing DVD. I hadn't played in a hot minute. But I'm glad to be back, and I hope y'all can hang out for my next stream, which will be Sunday. But until then, I hope you all stay witchling. Silly. I don't know. I hope you have a good rest of your week, and enjoy what's left of this New Year's celebration. Bye, y'all. Bye.
Is a four-letter word, I hope it hurts. Love is a fatal flaw, is a broken jaw, is a burning bridge. Move your carrots. And the ghosts of the boulevard, littered with lonely hearts. A city like a graveyard. Once was a postcard. When you lose your wonder and you can't remember where we were living in the days of thunder. 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 Living in the days of love was a dream to have, was a king-size bed, was an escape plan, was an open